Hi, this is Stacey from Organized Artistry. Happy Friday, everybody. If you saw my post earlier, you saw that I was at the Container Store and I decided to make a haul video. A haul video is something that you make when you go to a store and you buy a whole bunch of things. So I thought you might want to see what I bought at the Container Store today. So I went there with a purpose. There was a closet sale and I need some hangers. So not only did I buy hangers, but I bought a couple other things because, I can't just go in the hanger department. I have to look at the rest of the store. So when I walked in the store, the first thing I saw was this poly envelope. What's the big deal about a poly envelope? Well, I will tell you. I like to carry postcards and bookmarks for my book, and I needed a safe place for them for when I put them in my pocketbook, because if I don't have a safe place for them, they're just going to get all mangled up. So, I'll turn it this way. They fit beautifully. They fit beautifully. And also, I can take a Bed Bath & Beyond coupon and stick it in there. And sometimes I carry gift cards with me. I can put them in there too. So, today's first purchase was the poly zip envelope. Fits perfectly in my purse. The second purchase today, before I get to the hangers, is this slimline hamper. Sometimes I don't want to put all of my delicates in the regular hamper, so I decided to put this slimline hamper in my closet, and I think it's going to work really well. Okay, now to the hangers. These are my favorite hangers. They are crystal cut hangers, and I love them because the tops spin and because you don't have a problem with shoulder bumps when you are hanging your clothes. So I bought some dress hangers. And what else? I also bought some clippy hangers because my kids needed a few for their closet. And I bought a couple of skirt hangers. And I also bought these kind of skirt hangers that I use with my own pants. I kind of like them. They're colorful, and these don't ruin the pants as much as a metal piece might. So I use them for corduroy pants. So that was my haul today at the Container Store. So if you need hangers or anything for your closet, you might want to take a look at the Container Store website, or if you live near one like I do, then why don't you take a ride over there? I think the closet sale offers 25% off a lot of items, and that adds up. So I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and I hope you have a great weekend. Stay organized. Bye-bye.